Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to enable the voice control, the voice button on your remote in Google TV. I'm using Google TV. I'm going to go to settings. In settings, press OK. Scroll down to accounts and profiles and then press your email address here. Scroll down again and press voice assistant. Voice assistant is just toggle to activate. If it's off, turn it on. Find what to watch, get info, and control your TV by voice. It's now enabled, so I can search for applications, movie titles, and so on. Just gonna give you an example. Google Play Store.
Opening Google Play Store.
Okay, perfect, it works. So that's how to enable the voice control or the voice assistant in your Google TV. Please subscribe, like the video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one.